Today I'm going to tell you 3 secrets about the Hoover Police Department. Number 1, did you know that the Hoover Police Department has a bomb robot? Not many cities our size are fortunate to have a bomb robot. This robot is the coolest thing. It's like a little human, and it is used during those times where there may be a bomb involved or an explosive or an unknown where it wouldn't be safe to send a human in. Then they use the bomb robot. Secret number 2, did you know that the Hoover Police Department has a drone unit? These law enforcement officers who are part of this unit are FAA trained, and they can have a drone in the sky within a matter of minutes. You get that drone in the air and it picks up on the body heat of the suspect and it just lights him up. In the dark of night, there he is, voila, you've caught your suspect. Secret number 3 about the Hoover Police Department is that we have a dive team squad. So they're officers who are professional divers who are trained when there's a water incident, and they're also used when they need to go search for evidence that may have been thrown in a river or a pond or something of that nature. And those are just 3 more reasons to be proud to be a citizen who lives in Hoover, Alabama.